Hi, this is Christy from Kinsley Armelle by Christy, and we're going to do our Klub Kinsley Level 3 unboxing today. So as you can see, it comes in its traditional colorful mailer. I'm going to go ahead and open it. Like I said, this is Level 3, so this is $44.95. It'll contain 3 pieces of jewelry for us, along with a packing slip. This is the shape of the case for this month. And inside we have the pink Kinsley Armelle bag. And the pieces for this month. Oh, a lovely turquoise bracelet. The stones actually have a slight bit of pink to them. I really like that. I like most of their stone collection pieces. It's golden accent. I am not sure that they actually sell this piece currently online, although sometimes they post things after they put out the Klub Kinsley so that the Klub Kinsley people are the first to experience. I really like that colorful piece. Then, oh my gosh, I love this. It's almost like their chip collection bracelets. They call their chip collection bracelets things more like this, but if you look, there's a straight bar in the center and it has a beautiful color to it. Lobster claw clasp. Once again, this is a gold bracelet. And then their third piece, this one is also to die for. It pairs perfectly with this. So I think that all 3 of these pieces are not currently up. They're meant to be worn as a stack. I would probably stack them with the blue piece, the turquoise piece right in the middle. How gorgeous is that? This stack could easily be broken up into 2 different things if you're not that adventurous with color. You can go ahead and wear this piece by itself and this with 2 other pieces. If you have some of their other pieces, like I actually have a pink chip bracelet that goes with that, and you can really see that there are in fact pink in these stones when you put it together. The pink really pops it. Or you can wear it with one of their stone collection bracelets. This one will pair really nicely with this set right here. And I have it in a bangle as well, if I can find it. So I could do a really nice 4-item stack. I'm just loving these pieces. I'm so happy I got this month's Klub Kinsley. So as these pieces become available online, I will post them in the comment section, what they entail, so you can know, so you can buy the pieces that you want. But once again, the February Klub Kinsley is these 3 pieces right here. They are meant to be worn as a stack. And you're the first to see them here. So thanks again for shopping. If you've enjoyed this video, please subscribe and like us below. Follow me on Instagram and on my blog using the links below. Shop bit.ly/Kinsley Armelle for my affiliate link for the Kinsley Armelle jewelry. And don't forget to use code C515 for 15% off. Thanks and happy shopping.